aspect definition, aspect in a sentence, aspect pronunciation, aspect meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of aspect. Aspect. A-spect. Aspect. Aspect as a noun means a feature of something. Common usages in academic writing: a particular aspect, aspect ratio, aspect of life. Example sentence: aspect, noun. The aspect of Lehman's study that we would like to highlight is their method of data collection. Example sentence number 2, modern televisions display high-definition broadcasts at a 16:9 aspect ratio. And example sentence number 3, students must consider all aspects of the problem in their essays. Please write a sentence using aspect in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use aspect confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.